Perfect. Perfect rice every time. Howdy and welcome back to the channel. I'm Nick and today we're going to check out this mini 1 litre 12 volt rice cooker. Alright, I picked this up reasonably cheaply on eBay, but they do sell on eBay and Amazon, stuff like that. Obviously it comes with a user manual here, a little rice spoon. Obviously you've seen there, got a little curry handle, a little steam tray for steaming your little bits and pieces. You got a little measuring cup, small fuse, replacement fuse, and looks like pretty decent quality cable here with the cigarette lighter plug, and then obviously that's your little sort of non-stick bowl where you put your rice. Got the King's power pack today, so we're gonna pair these two together and see how this all works, so stick around. Right, got me a little measuring cup here, 1 cup of rice, in we go, and then that's 1.5 cups of water with that. 1.5, put the lid back on. Almost ready to go now, guys. Gonna connect this watt meter up just so we can see how much power this rice cooker is using. So we'll get this all plugged in. Green light's on. Alright, we're away. 72 watts at the moment, it looks like. So we'll let this go. Starting to climb now, 85, 86. We'll let this go for 10 or 20 minutes, see how it goes, and we'll get back to you. We are 15 minutes in, and this thing is hot. You can feel the heat coming off it. Boiling, definitely boiling. 92 watts, 2.6 amps, or 31.8 watt hours. So yeah, all running pretty good at the moment. Let's see if we can hear this boiling. I don't know if that's going to pick up on the audio, but yep, I don't think it will be too much longer, guys, for this. Alright guys, it's been 20 minutes and this is done cooking. Still drawing 44 watts. But it's used a little over 3 amp hours and 38 watt hours. As you can see here, the King's power pack has dropped down 1 bar. You'd probably get a good 8 cooks out of this 24 amp hour King's pack, which is awesome. Alright, we'll open this up and have a look. Wow, look at that. Perfect. Perfect rice every time with this little 12 volt rice cooker.